Welcome to this episode. Today, we will be discussing the ROI considerations and cost benefits of implementing AI within organizations. Let's dive right into the conversation. Dr. Ram, when organizations consider implementing AI, what are the key ROI considerations that they should keep in mind?
Well, thank you, Shankar. That's a great question. When evaluating the ROI of AI implementations, organizations should consider various factors. One important consideration is the potential for increased productivity and efficiency. That is very key with a lot of the AI tools that are out here. So AI technologies can automate repetitive tasks, as we know, streamline processes, and enable employees to focus on higher value, higher level activities. Another consideration is the potential to improve decision-making and insights. And we know that AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data much faster than we can and generate valuable insights as well to drive better business decisions and business outcomes. Additionally, organizations should assess the potential for cost savings, such as reducing operating costs, optimizing resource allocation, or minimizing errors and rework. And so those are some of the areas that we really need to focus on. So, for example, a customer service organization. The customer services is the lifeblood of a lot of organizations. Implementing AI-powered chatbots with machine learning as well, implemented within the chatbots, or using large language models as well, can achieve significant ROI, right? By reducing the need for human agents, increasing customer satisfaction and handling high volume of inquiries. And you want to make sure you keep those call volumes manageable and response rate high. And another example is in manufacturing. So manufacturing companies implementing AI-driven predictive maintenance systems, right, can reduce unplanned downtime, which is huge, especially in the auto industry, optimize maintenance schedules, extend lifespan of equipment, resulting in cost savings and also more increased productivity.
Thank you, Doctor. Now, moving on to my second question. How can organizations determine the cost benefits of implementing AI within their operations?
Okay, that's another good question. Thank you. Determining the cost benefits of AI implementation requires what I call a comprehensive assessment. So organizations should evaluate both the direct and indirect benefits. So direct benefits, meaning you can include cost savings and revenue growth and improve customer satisfaction. Indirect benefits can include enhanced brand reputation. We talked about before about trust and trustworthy. AI builds trust in trustworthy organizations. So that definitely affects your brand reputation, competitive advantage, and increase innovation potential, and which also will determine the cost benefits organizations should conduct through analysis, including return on investment calculations and business case evaluations. Right, so that's vastly important. It's important to consider both the short-term and long-term impacts of AI implementation. Short-term, this is great, we can get more clients, but the long-term, are we addressing the evolution of our business and customer needs? So AI will help us do that. As AI implementation also involves initial investment, can yield substantial benefits over time. So this is a key piece of AI implementation. So one example I can give is one in the retail industry. Organizations implementing AI-based demand forecasting models can reduce inventory holding costs, minimize stock outs, and optimize pricing, which is extremely important pricing strategy that you implement, resulting in increased productivity, profitability, and customer satisfaction. And another example I can draw on is the financial institutions implementing AI-powered fraud detection systems that can significantly reduce fraudulent activities, resulting in cost savings and maintaining the trust of their customers. There's companies out there, and specifically one that I can think of is A-Band Innovations, which has a AI algorithm, proprietary AI algorithm that addresses fraud and credit card transactions. So those businesses are really looking at how to implement AI to reduce fraud. So those are two examples I can come up with.
Thank you, Doctor. Now, for the final and last one, what are some recommended strategies for organizations to maximize their cost benefits of implementing AI?
Okay, let's think about this. To maximize the cost benefits, I think organizations should adopt a strategic and systematic approach. So we want to build a framework that is flexible, but we also want to have some prescriptive measures. So it's essential to define those clear objectives and align the AI initiatives with those organizational goals, right? So that's the first thing. This will help prioritize investments and ensure that AI projects contribute to business value, the right business value. Secondly, organizations should carefully select AI use cases based on their potential for high returns and feasibility. And when we're looking at the business use cases, we want to make sure that we have AI that can address it. Not all processes may be suitable, right, for AI implementation, so we must be aware of that. So thoughtful evaluation is crucial and critical. Additionally, fostering a culture of innovation and continuous learning enables organizations to leverage AI technology effectively, embracing partnerships and collaborations with AI experts and technology providers can also accelerate implementation and reduce costs. So from e-commerce platforms that maximize benefits, leveraging AI for personalization. It's another organization that I'm working with called Halen Technologies that actually leverages AI to improve the customer experience. So that's that personalized touch that AI can provide, and for product recommendations for certain restaurants and things like that you go to. So those types of things are already in place. Healthcare organizations can achieve significant cost benefit, right, by implementing AI-driven diagnostic tools. And so we're seeing some of that in the telehealth area as well, to improve accuracy and reduce unnecessary tests and optimize treatment options. So that also leads to cost savings. So those are the things that we can look at immediately.
Thank you, Dr. Rem. And that concludes our 3-episode series with Dr. Tony Rem, an AI expert. And for today's session, we actually focused on ROI considerations and cost benefits of implementing AI. It's clear that organizations can achieve increased productivity, improve decision making, and cost savings through AI adoption. By strategically aligning AI initiatives with business objectives, as well as fostering a culture of innovation, organizations can unlock the full potential of AI and drive sustainable growth. That's all for today, and thank you, everyone.